Before we begin our program, here is a brief message from Eye Surgeons Associates, a sponsor of the 2021 Summer Reading Program.
See them learn. See them experience things for the first time. See happiness. See an eye doctor before age 3. See better, live better with Eye Surgeons Associates.
Hello and welcome to Creation Studio Grab and Go. Today we are going to be making rainbow twirligigs. These will be available for pickup in the Kids Department of the Bettendorf Public Library on Monday, June 21st. Let's get started. In your bag you will have 4 circles of cardstock paper, and you will have 8 paper strips in the colors of the rainbow plus pink. So to get started, the first thing you'll do, this will make things a little bit easier for you later on, is you'll use this skewer to just kind of pierce a little hole in the middle of your circles. Be careful because the edge is sharp. You might want to have an adult to help you with this part. Okay, so I've got that done. Now, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to take one of these circles and my glue dots. I'm going to take some of this glue and I'm going to put it on the circle. And if you cover that hole, that's fine. And then we're going to lay out our paper strips. And you'll need to put on extra glue dots as you go. All right, so this is the beginning. I've got 4 of them attached. Now I'm going to attach the other 4 in this same manner. So now my creation looks like this at this point. Okay, my next step is I'm going to bring these up, bring them together. Just like this, okay? Now, I'm also going to secure this with my glue and my red dot. All right, so now I've got this. It looks like this. Now I'm going to go back and secure with my red dots. So I'm going to make sure that I have my red dot there. Another glue dot here on top. Put one of my red dots up here. I'm going to press and hold for a little bit just to make sure that that stays together. And then last but not least, I'm going to take a glue dot and I'm going to secure this part down here with my red dot. Okay, so this is your twirligig, and now I'm going to put my bamboo stick and work that through. Now, because I pierced the holes, it'll be a little bit easier to go in. What I do is go a little at a time and twist, and then it will come up. Again, this is something, it is a little sharp, so you might want a grown-up to help you with this part. There we go. And then we're gonna go all the way up to the top, and we're gonna do the same thing up here. Work that through. There we go. And then the last step I'm going to have is to put a little more glue just to secure this here. And you might need a little more down here too. But the biggest thing you want to do here, most important thing you want to do, is you want to put, I've got a little circle of glue here, and you want to put that right on top of the sharp edge so that no one gets poked. And you can gently slide slide your twirligig up the skewer. All right, so now you have this, and look at this. It is so fun. And I know when I made my first one, I told my friends at the library, I said, oh, I can't stop doing this. It's so much fun. I really hope you enjoy making your rainbow twirligig, and have a wonderful day. See you next time.